demonstrate how to configure Azure SSO for FileMaker. To start, you're going to want to go to your admin console and then go into Administration, External Authentication. This will bring you to this page. Click Change, and you should see that these fields are empty. Take note of these fields, as we'll be coming back to them later to place the various IDs that we get from the Microsoft Azure portal. You're going to want to open your Microsoft Azure portal. Click Microsoft Entra ID, go to Manage, then scroll down to App Registrations. Click New Registration, and we're going to fill out the information here. You're going to want to pick a descriptive name, choose Accounts in this organizational directory only, and then fill in the redirect URI. This can be copied from the admin console, but it's a simple construction. As you can see here, it is the URL of the admin console with auth redirect appended. Select Web, then click Register. Overview, you're going to want to click Manage Authentication. In Authentication, scroll down, ensure that your redirect URI is how it's supposed to be. Scroll down to Implicit Grant and Hybrid Flows. Under Select the tokens you would like to be issued by the authorization endpoint, do not click Access Tokens. Do click ID Tokens. In supported account types, make sure that Accounts in this organizational directory only is selected. Set Allow Public Client Flows to No. Click Save. Now, from here, go back to Overview. This is where we're going to get the IDs that we need to associate the admin console with the Microsoft Azure portal. It's easiest if we see both on the screen at the same time. You're going to want to take Application Client ID, copy that, and put it to Azure Application ID. You're going to take Directory Tenant ID, copy that to Azure Directory ID. Now, click Certificates and Secrets. Click New Client Secret. Give a description for this client secret. Set the expiration date. Once this date expires, you will have to add a new client secret to your admin console. This will give you a client. Copy this down. This will be the only time you can copy this value. If you don't save it here, you'll have to create another secret later. Copy value. Add it to Azure Key. Now, click Save Authentication Settings, scroll down, and enable Microsoft in Database Sign-In page. Go over, click Manage, and then go to API Permissions. Click Add a Permission, Microsoft Graph, Delegated Permissions, and search for user.read. As you can see, we already have this assigned as a permission. But if it is not, make sure to click it and then click Add Permission. Then, when you're done, be sure to click Grant Admin Consent. I'm going to add a group. Go back home, then click Groups. If you don't see groups here, you can search for groups in the search bar. Click New Group. Keep group type as security. Give it a name. Each group will correspond to various permission sets in FileMaker, so it makes the most sense to assign users to a group based on what permissions you'd like them to have in the file. For instance, this will be an admin group. Users who are assigned to this group will have admin permissions in the file they use SSO login to access. We can give it a description and a name. Click No Owner Selected and add an owner. Click No Members Selected and add the various members that you would want to be a part of this group sign-in. Then click Create. You'll be brought back to the Groups Overview page. Click All Groups, then the group that you created. Copy this object ID. This will be important. Now we're almost done. Open the FileMaker profile that you want to allow users to sign in with their Microsoft account. Go to File, go to Manage, then go to Security, Authenticate via Microsoft Azure AD. Create a new account, and in the username, paste the object ID of the group that we just created. Make sure group is selected. Go to Privilege Set. Assign the privilege set that you want these users to have access to. Give a short description. To clarify, this associates this FileMaker account with that Microsoft group that we created. The users that you assign to that Microsoft group, when they sign in, will sign in with this account and this privilege set. So, if you wanted various users to have maybe a lower access privilege set, you would have to create a new Microsoft group and follow the steps we just did, adding a new group here and copying that object ID into this field. But for now, we'll just go with this. And that's how you do Microsoft Azure single sign-on. Here's an example of a working Azure sign-on implementation. Click Sign in with Microsoft. Click the account that you want to log in with. And you were signed right in.